Welcome back to the channel. I'm Hank Strange. This is Stranger Palooza. I'm actually in Middlebury, Indiana. We've got Nick Recchio
Hank, how you doing?
of Coachmen Class B.
Yep.
Of course, I'm a brand ambassador.
Yep, very happy.
I said I was going to do this video fast. Thanks so much for inviting Lola and I to join your team.
Absolutely.
I really appreciate that. And what I want to share with folks out there, Nick, is this is the first time I've been here and you have a bunch of Beyonds on the line.
Yep.
And I want to share this with everyone, do a real quick video. Guys, I want to remind you that we have these Vanasaur t-shirts and a new one is out. This is Campfire by Moonlight. New Vanasaur t-shirt, that's how you pronounce that. If you're a fan of Class B camper vans, whether it's Sprinter, ProMaster, or the Transit, you can get these t-shirts, show your love for that, and support Stranger Palooza. And we don't have any like logos or anything like that on it. Plus you can get Stranger Palooza t-shirts. If you look down here in YouTube, there's a store down there. You could check out the store, get this and other designs. And from Lola and myself, who did all the work designing this, thanks very much. See you on the next one. I think you guys open early and then end early, right?
we crack the doors around 6:30, so it's about 3 o'clock here. We've been shut down since about 1:30, 2 o'clock when everybody kind of gets out of here.
Yeah.
And you know, we're getting more Beyonds out there. We're
That's
getting
awesome.
more Ford chassis. I know that's you guys know the history with the Ford chassis.
Yep.
But it's great to see
that's what that
Plant
is.
5 filled with the great Ford Transit.
Yeah, so we're gonna walk through and just follow Nick, and then that'll be the end of this video. But very cool to see, Nick.
Absolutely.
I'm impressed. So we're going through. So you've got any color you want, as long as it's white and silver.
Yep. You had a little stern talk with me this morning about that. In order to get Fords as quick as I can for our customers, we've had to go with the black. Probably not the best lighting, but you get the picture.
We'll show you when we get out. Yeah,
black lighting.
But that looks good. Yeah, I think that looks good.
Maple white.
This is a maple one. Yeah, so yeah, let's see. Right here you got, no, this is still, why do you put the protection on there?
Just guys leaning over, just any precaution. Look, and that's not much. It's some bubble wrap and some tape. But any precaution we can.
Yeah, you don't want to scratch it up.
We don't
want to
scratch
production.
it. Yep.
Okay, cool.
We got a 2,000 watt inverter dropping in, a silver Beyond.
Yep.
20D maple.
20D.
There's a cherry. Real dark.
Yep.
Some of our folks just absolutely love it. We talked about.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I like it. I don't know if I'll see if it'll change the lighting here for you guys. But yeah, I like a darker.
A little bit.
Yeah, I like a darker color, but
another 22D cashmere white interior wood.
Very nice.
White interior wood. Who would have thought?
These look like all the very same. Well, haven't seen one rear bath yet.
Nope. We're running a big run of D's right now.
Yeah, this is all D's. Yeah.
What we try to do is, in certain time frames, we'll have to run 5 to 10 rear baths.
Oh, I see.
20 D's and 15 C's. What I don't want to do is build a rear bath and then a D and then a C and then a rear bath. Run them all together. Guys
have all very similar issues. You need things you need to take a look at.
You know,
so here we go.
Yeah.
And just to show you guys the lights, here we go. So a darker casing in there, which I like. I think it gives it a good look.
I do too. I do too.
So there you go, right behind us. Let's see here. Come this way. We'll end it right here. So there you go. Quick run through.
Yep, real quick.
Way faster than the factory tour video that we did.
Sure.
Beyond, 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 beyond.
Absolutely.
All right. Thanks, Nick. We're out of here. We'll see you guys.
Appreciate y'all.
Peace.